Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to back up wallet to iCloud. So if you want to back up wallet to iCloud on Trust Wallet, yes, I can get it done. You have to open your Trust Wallet app on your phone, then you put your passcode or your Face ID. Then once you do that, okay, you have something like this on your screen, which is the home. Then you tap on the gear button. Tap on the gear button, then from there you tap on the wallet. Once you tap on wallet, then you tap on backup manually. Once you tap on it, then you are going to input your passcode or your trust or your Face ID. Then from there you have to tap on the iCloud option, which is the first option, which means you want to automatically back up your wallet with your iCloud. So just tap on verify backup. Then right here you have to input, you have to verify your password. So I'm just going to input the password for my wallet. Good. Then I'll verify the password. Then you can see password verified and tap on OK. And that is how to back up your Trust Wallet with iCloud. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.